everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover BeReal app account. So open the application first and you can see you are not logged in into the account. So click on continue and get started with the account recovery process. So to recover, what you can do is type in your name first. You must type in the correct name that you have in your account and then tap on continue. Then you will need to provide the date of birth. Tap on continue. After that, you will need to type in your phone number over here. Once you do that, tap on continue and BeReal application will send you a code to the mobile device of your number. Now you need to wait for that code, and once you receive it, you need to type in. There you can see the code from BeReal. Now you type in the code in the text box. And just with that, you will be logged in. There is no particular recovery process for this. All you have to do is type in the correct details. That is, type in your correct name, your date of birth, and the phone number. The phone number must be same as the one that you have created at the very beginning. Right after you do that, the only thing remaining is for you to type in that code that you have received. With that, you will be able to recover your account right away. So this is how you can recover a BeReal app account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.